What kind of information about diet or foods to avoid do you share with your patients? Also, I want to learn more about my disease. What resources would you recommend for patients and caregivers?
This is a very good two-part question. I'm going to start with learning about your disease. First, the individual that submitted this, I want to just say you've already started that by joining this broadcast tonight. There were quite a number of QR codes that will link you to various types of resources. The PAH Initiative website can help direct you as well. I think that for me, I really appreciate when my patients ask me. We try to make sure every one of my patients receives a welcome packet so that some of those resources are right there from the very beginning. And that we can build on that information. So, those may be a few places that you can consider going to for ongoing learning about PAH. When it comes to diet, we talked quite a bit in this broadcast about that self-care and what you can do for yourself in this disease. And one of the things that I think is so key is, as we've discussed, sodium. And sodium is kind of hiding everywhere. And I think we maybe don't think about it because so often in our society we talk about fats and we talk about sugars and that eating a dessert and those types of things. And in this disease, it really is about the sodium because, as mentioned earlier, water and fluid follows that salt or sodium, and that is what our body retains. And then that means that the heart has to work harder because it's retaining extra fluid and it's having to push more blood volume and fluid through the body. So, thinking about which foods you're eating. I know that in my community, sometimes food insecurity exists. And so, being able to get those fresh fruits and vegetables and meats is more difficult. We try to set up resources within our program that can help my patients if that might be their situation. And I think this is where having that partnership with your clinicians, your providers, your program is so important because that transparency so that we understand how we might be able to assist and help may be the key to unlocking sort of a brighter future for you.